Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you have a beautiful day. It's now quite late in the evening. So you saw earlier I reported one of my Tarocco blood orange. You can see the footage dangling around here next to me. So the reason why I reported it in the winter because I'm going to go away next month. I'm going to Brisbane to see my parents-in-law up there. The tree, I don't think I will ask anyone or turn the decoration on. So I think I just leave them maybe a week or maybe 8 or 9 days when I come back, and I think the tree should be fine as long as I report it in the large container. That's what I thought, so that's why I did. The tree so 4 years old, and this is the second year it bear the fruit. Now the fruit this year not as large like last year, but I think because of because the branch is quite small, but also have a lot of fruit on it. I counted I think over 20 fruit. Last year I did a review video for you, okay, test about this variety of the blood orange. So I got only few fruit that they got deep fresh inside. So most of them they were like the normal orange. So anyway, I hope that this year I can have more some of the orange. They got my deep red color inside. So I know that they some of you guys comment under the video, but also I read on the internet as well. They say that they need cold temperature to turn red color. But you know, we do have a cold winter like normal, like -5, -7 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much more cold does it need. Could you tell me if you know anything about that? So I can keep an eye on it, don't let it to dry out before I go away. And you can see the plant or the soil quite high up on the way up to the rim here, because I know in the future they're gonna sink down. So I just give a little bit more and I puffer a little bit. So when the time is sink down and I don't lose too much. So example, the container over here, you can see that it's sunk down too much. You can see that, and I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 centimeter down to the soil level over here to the surface here. So I don't want that, because in the future it could be very hard for me to report it again, because the container is huge. 110-liter heavy duty plastic container I got from Bunnings. So let me show you some other my secrets over here. See the kumquats. Now me and my friend already have it, a lot of them. I cut them inside, keep them in the fridge so they stay fresh much longer, because if they got if you got a very heavy frost, then this will be all frozen. Then there could be own damage. This is my mandarin. I test one the other day. I think the fruit very similar to my whole waist Japanese Satsuma mandarin that I got from the other trees over there. I have it at all of them. Like, by the way, if you want to know, you can see that. Oh no, I got one left. You see one orange mandarin left over there. This, oh, I do have a few over there actually. I forgot actually. I thought that in the moment I thought that I have it at all of them, but few they are still a little bit green. So I haven't have it them yet. So yeah, so sorry about that. Anyway, go back to this side. The holes everywhere. I'm sorry about that. But I got the other orange trees ripening over here, and the mandarin. Yeah, I tested one the other day, and the taste was good actually. It's so nice. I will have. I think I was expecting. I think the skin would be easier for me to peel though. Anyway, I will try again next few weeks when it's ripened more. And here I got another Tarocco blood orange. This one I have quite a few fruit on it as well. I think you can see the fruit much bigger than the other tree. Look at this. Yeah, I think I got about 10 fruit from this tree. Anyway, come over here. I want to show you my tangelo ripening beautifully. Look at this. Wow, looking beautiful. And again, this tree I did not thin it out enough, so the fruit a little bit small. But this one, the fruit much larger. Look at that. Wow, I'm so happy with that actually. Alright guys, that is for the video today. I hope that you enjoy it. And oh, by the way, normally in the winter we're not supposed to to repot the plants or the citrus, but I think it could be okay because I did not disturb it too much. And I think it could be happier anyway in a larger container with a lot of soil and more compost for it to, you know, keep to be happy. So yeah, thank you again and see you next video. Bye bye.